Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a reaction to Jason versus Jason X. This was made by Rio Bubbles. Original link in description. I will use Jason as a thumbnail, and this is Jason versus Uber Jason.
Once I was on a
Here's Slappy.
and I got separated from my party. And then I was looking around, it was getting cold and dark, and I looked and there was a giant sign that said, "Warning, you have entered the land of the three-name people." I was about to turn and run when Sarah Michelle Gellar came out and said, "This is the land of the three-name people. How many names do you have?" And then Jennifer Love Hewitt came out and said, "This is the land of the three-name people. How many names do you have?" I said, "I have but two
Will you
names."
shut the fuck up and let me sing?
Yeah. So this is part of Jigsaw Games 3-3. Let's see who will win. You have Jason. Here's Uber Jason. Let's see who will win. Alright. Jason won.